right, C7 fans, here's a beauty to check out. 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. Convertible, as you can see, 2LT package. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 12,000 is all in this one. .2 liter V8 underneath the hood. This particular car does have the 8-speed automatic with paddle shift transmission. Take a look at the front fascia. Paint on this car shows us what you'd expect with the kind of miles that are on it. Still pictures. Take your time looking through them. You'll be able to see the engine bay, interior, undersides, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the still pics. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. All right, something I want to mention about these wheels. This is an OEM wheel. If you're familiar with these, some of these came from Chevrolet with flawed wheels. Those are the OEM wheels with approximately 500 miles on them, as well as the tires. Looks like Continental Extreme Contacts. Those have approximately 500 miles on them also. So you're in good shape with the wheels. All right, let's take a look down this passenger side. If you want to see exactly how this car is equipped, there is a picture of the RPO sticker in with the still pics. So you can take a peek at that. Of course, power convertible top, black fabric top. We'll get around to the driver's seat, start it up, let you hear it run. And again, 2LT package and a Grand Sport, so you get an idea how it is equipped. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the center dump exhaust. If you like C7 Corvettes, or maybe just Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. If you can see it, come to see us in person. And again, all the way around this car, you can see paint is in nice shape. So what you would expect with a clean Carfax and only 12,000, a little over miles. In the still pictures, you are going to be able to see the owner's manuals. They do come with the car. Jason will also take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I think we all know how that's going to go down the road, being it is a 2019 Grand Sport. Lucky him, gets to have the fun today driving this one. Of course, your modern amenities that you're going to get in a late model car: Bose stereo, power windows, memory seating, power locks, power seats. Condition of the seats, very nice. Again, what you'd expect with this kind of miles. Of course, the selective ride control modes, steering wheel controls or information center, your launch control, that type of thing. Heads up display. Should be heated and ventilated seats. All the goodies. I'll show you how the top goes up here in just a bit. And then of course there's the remote button that will lower the top back down remotely. So we'll do that too, check it out. First, let's look at exact miles. Fire this up. .460 horse this car should have. 465 pound-feet of torque. And scroll through your information center here. Trip. What do we got? Fuel economy. Think of that, 20 miles a gallon. It'll do better than that. There's your exact miles down here if you're looking for them. 12,083. Of course, the infotainment system, electronic climate control, and that is dual for both sides. That heads-up display. If I can get you to see that or not, those lights are quite bright. There it is. You can see it popping up a little bit. Tough for me to display it with the headlights on up there. But it is there and it is working. Great sounding cars, especially under throttle. Nothing too crazy sitting here idling. Let's slip up to the front. I want to show you the engine bay quick. I'll pop the hood here a second. Nice and clean hood liner. What you'd expect. These cars don't really get driven in climate weather. Very clean and tidy engine bay. Wish I had a little extra room in the garage and some extra money in the bank account. I know where I'd park this, or sure like to park it. Make somebody a fun car. Lots of miles left on this one. All right, let me set up the tripod real quick. I want to show you the convertible top going up, and then we'll check out the condition of it. I'll show you it going back down from the remote. And remember, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And the convertible top up, so you can see how it functions. Works well. All right, above the windshield, nice tight fit. Roll the side glass up so you can see that fits nicely. Also a black fabric. Not noticing any rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all, obviously. It is a newer car with not a ton of miles on it, so the top condition is pretty much what you'd expect. No surprises there. Now this should have the automatic top-down feature on the key fob here. So let's go ahead and see if we can get that to work. Just need the key fob. All right. There's a button on the key fob. You just have to push and hold it. This will remotely retract the convertible top going down. And beep when it's finished. 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport Convertible. Remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we're going to assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette. This is an automatic right here at my fingertips. But you can also paddle shift if you like. But it's probably going to be faster if you just put your foot down. Excellent throttle response and acceleration, as you would expect from a Corvette. C7, one of the great Corvettes. One of the most fun, in my opinion. AC is blowing cold. Factory stereo sounds great. Heads-up display showing our tachometer, speedometer, what gear we are in, the G-force. That is fun to try to get the G-force up. Nice low-mile Corvette, less than 13,000 miles. And what can I say? It's practically a new Corvette from 2019 in bright red. Looking great, handling great, corners amazing. Very fun to accelerate in, and sounds great too. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this 2019 Chevrolet Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.